Alright, installation of WeatherTech's wind deflectors, rain guard, whatever you want to call them. The front ones are pretty straightforward. You just push them in the slot. There's a little piece down here. You put that down first, and it's on the outside of the truck. This is a 19 F150 Super Cab. So the front door is easy. That's not the problem. The problem comes with the back. That clip has got to be facing like in an outward position to put pressure up against the deflector. This is definitely a pain in the ass, but it only takes a couple minutes to do it. On the half door, you got the front part, then you got the rear part. The rear part you pull down, and then you put this piece in there. It's hard to do with me holding this camera. Anyway, this piece hooks into there, and you'll have the result look like that. And then this goes on top of that. Once you hook it in, put some pressure on it, it'll hook in, and that's how it'll press up against the window. It'll press up against the door for a secure fit.